where you're going right. You dress up and you go to work, acting like you own the world. But you've got nothing left to hide. We all see certain time, your sympathy, a bottle line. They're crawling outside of their lairs. There's devils lurking everywhere. Making multi-million-dollar deals. These there are others that are skipping meals. And junkies in the gutter passing out. How the new dorks suffer now. Like a predator that doesn't know why it's killing. You don't know the day you've been bringing on home.
Without being ridiculed, you know, the saddest thing of it all, some kids have never seen build these walls. We pray to live another day, and dreams long gone fade away. But the tide will turn, the tides will bend, and every dog's gonna have its day. When it's a wonder you're still living in, when this day that is all world again. It's a state that this old wellness is. Like a predator that doesn't know why it's scared. You don't need to run, remember the death. You can be alone when it's and like every other dog, you're gonna have your day.